Hello, we are at 1053 Bush, apartment 2. Coming in, this is a hallway leading back to the living room and the bedroom. Do the living room first. Nice bright apartment, gets good natural light. Hardwood floors throughout. There's a nice big closet here off of the living room. The rent in this building includes steam heat. Overlooking a nice shared garden. Here's the large closet. Okay, and then here in the hallway is a linen closet. Next we have the bedroom. I think this bedroom would comfortably accommodate a queen-size bed. Nice large double closet with mirrored closet doors. Okay, next we have the kitchen. Updated kitchen, plenty of nice wood cabinets, fridge, a gas stove. There are black granite countertops and a black and white tile floor. Plenty of cabinet space. And finally, one full bathroom, shower over tub, pedestal sink, black and white tile floor. There's a medicine chest with a mirror door. This unit is located on the lobby level of the building. So here is the lobby. And one floor below us is the shared coin-operated washer dryer and the access to the shared garden. Please do not apply without coming to see the unit first in person. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to showing you the apartment. Thank you.